is Sunday, May 22nd. We're in Long Beach, Mississippi. This is Denise. And just going to take a quick little walk right here and show you some of the ugliness. Dead fish. Empty bottle of oil. Just look at the water, would you? Another freshly dead fish. Debris, garbage, traces of oil. Just slap dab, ugly as can be. More dead fish. And here we go, folks. Look at the people in the water. Dead fish floating around. Oil floating around. Dead fish all over the shore. Horrible smell coming off the water. What the hell are people thinking? Sunday, May 22nd. Man, there are party barges coming in. There are trimarans coming in. There are just throngs of people. We're out here swimming. They are all in the water along the shore, just having a good old time amongst the dead fish and the oil and the dispersant.